2015 Journey. Trying to start the car. It doesn't start. It shows you key is not detected on the dash. To quickly start it, put the key in the cup holder and then press the button and start it.